Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. So it is extremely hot out here today, so don't mind me. I probably look a little bit red and might be sweating, but I just got off work. I didn't plan to work today, but I did anyways. So now I'm home. I got 2 bulk pallets delivered, so I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. I used to just resell clothing and slowly started dabbling into hard goods. I've had quite a bit of luck with hard goods as soon as Poshmark started allowing hard goods. So then I started cross-posting to like Mercari and eBay and Facebook Marketplace, and honestly hard goods and home goods have been taking off like crazy. I'm able to resell those a lot faster than clothing. I feel like the clothing market is just so saturated right now with resellers, which is a great thing. I mean, make your money where you can make your money, but it's not selling fast enough for me. Bedding has been selling so fast for me. Literally the same day that I post it, I'm either selling it locally or I'm selling it on Mercari, and they've been paying for shipping, which I was so worried about, you know, listing it on Mercari and then having people be like, well, can you do free shipping? And it's like with bedding, you know, that's gonna get really expensive because it's gonna weigh more than a pound, which bumps it up to the next, you know, shipping bracket. But I haven't had any issues, so I'm extremely thankful for that. But also with my bulk pallets, I've been getting a lot of great items to resell, so I'm extremely excited to unbox this for you guys. I'm gonna do an insert of what I paid for the items just because I did just get home and I forgot to break it down for you guys, but I do know it was under $1,000, including the freight shipping. And usually freight shipping is about $280 per pallet, but since I got 2, it was $280 for 2 pallets. So it split the cost between the pallets, which brought my cost of goods down a little bit lower as well. And I may venture into doing 3 or 4 pallets next time. We will see. I am starting to get limited on space, although it is going out the door as soon as I get it in. You know, I do have a baby on the way, and we have been getting making room for the baby and stuff like that. So without further ado, let me get started and show you what I have found. Let me also add, guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'm going to be putting out all kinds of content for you to make some money online as well. Alright, so everything looks like it's packaged. I'm extremely excited about this. This is a pillow fort. Another pillow fort comforter. This looks like twin. I think this one was twin as well. Yes, 2 twin comfort sets, which twins are okay. They tend to sell fast, but it's not as much profit as like a king or a queen. And another pillow fort vintage wash quilt, twin size. This is gel memory foam topper, and I'm not quite for sure what the retail on was it, but the last one I got I was able to sell for $40, and it was new, like selling for $80, so hopefully this will be a good flip. Alright, this is an Opal House twin set, and another one of those twins. A pillow fort ombre oasis. This looks like a full queen. Another one of those quilts, which one listing, multiple items. I love that. An Opal House twin set. Another pillow fort, and this is actually full queen. The other one was just a twin. So one listing, multiple sizes available, which will be great. I won't have to do as many pictures. Pillow fort, Mariposa Magic, full queen. Oh, I think I actually have this one already. No, I don't. This is a different one. It's a 5-piece microfiber bed set, and it's full queen. The good thing about a lot of these is they are actually online since they are new or within season, so I'm able to still find stock photos. It looks like just a pillow. It's got some velour detail on it. A Room Essentials sheet set. Another pillow fort, full queen. This one is a duplicate as well, in twin. Looks like a little bit of dust on this one, but no damage. It looks like new, it was 80 bucks, and this is a king size Moroccan wedding quilt. This one's really pretty. I really like the detail of it. This is a Threshold Belgrade quilt set, king size. This one's actually in 2 packages, a duvet set, king striped yellow. I'm not sure on the brand, but it's gotta be a Target brand, so something from Target. Oh, cute, a little unicorn pillow. It looks like Okio-Tex. They usually have the price here on the, oh, it's not on the tag. Normally it's on the tag there. This is a Fieldcrest down-filled pillow. A shower wrap. This one is another Opal House twin Chinley striped quilt. This one is really pretty as well. We got a Mickey Mouse blanket. So it's one of those fold out blankets with a Mickey Mouse included. This is a Shepra body pillow cover. I already have one of these listed too, and this is a full queen, just quilt, velour quilt. It's really soft. This looks like just a sheet set, twin sheet set. Sprinkles is what it's called, but it looks like little flower petals on it. This is a Fieldcrest satin bed skirt. New, it was going for $47. I'll probably put like 20 on it. This is a Pillow Fort ombre Oasis full. Okay, water pick power sprayer. Okay, this one looks open, so I'll have to contact them about that and just see if, you know, maybe they can do a little compensation since this was supposed to be a new lot. This is 2 pillowcases and another standard pillowcase set. Looks like I got 2 more of those Oasis comforter sets. A Pillow Fort triangle stitch quilt. I'm getting towards the bottom here. Oh, awesome. 2 king size pillows. These may be added to our collection because I needed some king pillows. So those are new in the package. Oh, this is a really pretty comforter set. Iridescent comforter twin set. Okay, I am surrounded by inventory. I'm gonna have to go unload this in the house and I'll be right back to finish what's the rest in the box. Okay guys, I am back to show you the rest of what's in this box. I am sweating really bad. Oh, this is a really nice pillow. One side is like a yarn pulled and then the back is just plain. I've been doing really well with the pillows. I've been listing them $15 to $30 and they've been selling. So this must have just been a freebie because I didn't even see it in there, but it's some Easter towels there. Another Mickey Mouse blanket, and it kind of shows you that it pulls out and the little kid can sit on it. Okay, Threshold 3-piece duvet set. It's a full queen. Another pillow. This one is a really cool print, just the plain back again. Okay, linen cotton blend sham by Shabby Chic. This is a Project 62 sheet set, full, blush pink. Oh gosh, this guy's heavy. So this must be another weighted blanket. I sold one of these in the last, my very first pallet that I got, literally the same day it listed, it sold, and this one actually is still in the packaging, so I'm really excited about that. And it sold for $30. So this one being in the package, I'm gonna go for 40, maybe even 50. This looks like a unicorn towel. Gotta hide it from my daughters because there's only one, so I can't give it to one of them and then the other one be out of it. Okay, this is just a flannel throw pillow. That'll do great here. If it doesn't sell now, it'll sell more towards winter for sure. This is a Room Essentials. This thing is heavy too. Another weighted throw. Oh, that's nice. So another weighted throw here. And then this is a Threshold king pillowcase set. Includes 2 king pillowcase covers. This is a Trolls 2-piece toddler pillowcase and fitted sheet set. And then more of these pillows still in the bag. The same style. I think there's 2 more in here. Make sure that's it. Yep. So that's it, guys. I'm very excited. Although it may not look like a whole lot of profit, I make so much off of bedding because think about it, if the price is $80 new and you list it for $40, they pay for shipping. As they're seeing it, they're still getting a crazy discount and they don't have to go in store to buy it, and they don't have to use a coupon, they don't have to wait for a coupon, they don't have to wait for clearance. So I've been actually selling very quickly these items, and I am extremely happy with my purchase. Now I've got to go load the rest of these in the house, and I'm gonna do a part 2 video so this one doesn't get super long for you guys. And I gotta get some water and cool off. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Go check me out on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Thrifty on a Dime is all of my social medias where you can find me. And I look forward to putting out some more content for you guys. Thanks so much for watching.